Let me tell you about streets anywhere we go. Dog them serious, dog them no nervous. One phone call it take to make some boy wipe off her hurt and drop down flat. From you not stop my food, dog. Me no matter about you and me no care about that. Can't talk in my face. Say them run place, I run them run round that. Man a action pack, some boy only full of tough chatter. Enough of them stairs so.
Wait.
Oh man.
Done.
Good morning, you guys. So I'm here with the little baby, Jeremy's little princess. Guys, look how tiny she is. Tiny. Look at. Can't see her. She's looking at me. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hi. Hi, Ariana. Hi. Jermaine and I and my cousin Veron and Raquel are going to Kingston a little bit. We're going to Red Hills. And then we'll probably go downtown because I want to go to Bridget's and see if we can get 2 more pairs of sandals. And I don't know. We got a lot of crap to do today. We'll stay tuned. Hey! Morning! Do you see how different it looks downstairs? Do you see that? The kitchen has been redone. This room that we used to hang around in is redone. My goodness. Oh, the shop is still locked, B? Oh, it's open? Oh, it is locked. The front door is not open. The shop is still the shop. They've changed the windows, though. We've got more modern windows. Very nice, quite nice, quite nice. They've done a really good job. Yeah. All right, I'm going upstairs to go see my brother. Remember how this was like all dirt? Now it's all concrete. Ooh, and my sugar cane over there. Poor thing. Grammy is sleeping. You not get home?
Ready?
I'll make my breakfast. No, I'm used to waking up. My breakfast is ready, you know. And now I wake up and my grandmother's still sleeping.
I'm not sleeping. What are you talking about?
Oh my God. Did you try the skirts? Do they fit?
No, they were too long.
I figured they'd all be too long. They're always long. Don't you always have to cut them?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Because you're a little woman. My grandma's a little woman. She's a little person. Long. Long. Saying goodbye to Grandma. For now.
See?
Say what's up, Grandma?
Hello?
I'm heading out because Jermaine, Veron, and I are heading to Kingston now. So we're saying bye to Grandma and Auntie Maureen. Watch Auntie Maureen. And Bianca. We'll see you guys later. Yeah, man. Al, do me a favor, baby, please. Can you go get Auntie Cindy's glasses in the purple case? Just bring the purple case, okay? Come running. So we just came and picked Raquel up. We are they coming?
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Empty barrel I make noise. Them are not nobody.
We here before that.
Okay.
I come the same time.
Okay.
The ending the next month. This month.
This
month. Ending of June.
Okay.
Nice.
Yeah.
They did.
This month,
The fireman, yeah, that's the fireman right there. Raquel's hopster, who made for had an abundance of cane, huh?
We can't read them.
So we're gonna cut.
Safe
All
travel.
right.
Go walking on my bed.
Good. Hug the husband in a Raquel. Watch her now.
The people them say Raquel are blush.
Ooh. Oh, dear.
Up to the time.
Watch your brewing in there. Watch her now. Watch her now. Wanna come back with Jermaine?
Yeah, man. I'm busy. We are chop over there.
Can't talk in my face. Say them run place around them run round it. Man a action back some boy only full of tough chat. Enough of them stairs so. Enough of them stairs so. Enough of them stairs so.
No, them are one dino. Yes, and the anthem.
At the anthem. At the anthem.
Enough of them stairs so.
Guys, Jermaine is fighting me. He doesn't want to vlog for you guys. And a body baby.
Successful life that's a bad day. Mama, everything what you want. Wait till I get my partner. Friend them can't tell me so them. All on the choice not a portion. Brother will a Nike, sister will a lotion. If you never try a partner, join one road rubbing the elbow on the island. Then when I big steep back China. Remember you want to have something to rely on. Wait till I get my partner. Me I go buy everything when me want. All on the choice not a portion. Brother will a Nike, sister will a lotion. Wait till we get my partner.
Well, I can't when they are grown for it, brother. You for me shut on me eye now, brother.
I said this is sitting here. This is sitting here. Liam. Let us take you one little time.
Sitting there going up like you want to turn over here.
Wicked, man.
Guys, we're talking about Coney Island when Coney Island existed. I actually didn't know it was no longer there. How long has it been gone?
Long time. Little bit after your life.
That long time.
Long time.
Damn, guys, I thought Coney Island was still there.
No.
So what amusement parks do they have now?
The bobsleigh place name?
Yeah, that's Mystic Mountain.
Mystic Mountain?
They have no real amusement park.
Are you serious?
No, none at all. None at
They
all.
shouldn't have done that.
Yeah, man.
We needed that.
Yeah, it was good.
Oh my God, I remember going to Coney Island as a child. Yeah, belly button. Shut up! What? You were doing that? Oh my God.
My Coney Island story, you know. After me go over there and go on the roller coaster and thing. Excited. Sit down in a roller coaster and roller coaster move off now. I say, what is? Not even bicycle no slow, so I say for these people, they might create excitement over. So, go up the hill now, when you reach the top of the hill, slow down, right down. So I said, Jesus, and this it just get lame now. And you see, we come and turn down the hill.
Nearly dead.
And Jesus alone couldn't help me. If you call upon the Savior, he said, do. Make you out for this sickness. Yeah,
Oh my God.
Man. Everything, man.
You know, I can't do that stuff no more. No, man. No, the last time me, Kevin, and Tasha them went. No, man, I got through a couple of them. I feel like I'm dead. I don't think my heart can take that crap anymore. When I was younger, it was.
Yeah. Yeah. Dead me nearly dead.
Not more.
Me not go back. Me not look back on that. Me go on the train or drive around the park.
Right.
Time.
Right.
Yeah. That me go back. With a little bit there. Yeah, man, it's nice now. Them are not nobody. I'll go on the Ferris wheel. But they too high too. I'm like a ground for me thing now. And you sitting on the ground slow and you're so high, and then you have nothing under your foot.
Nothing
after I reach over the other side.
Oh my God. I can't manage it no more.
That's why they tap it. Because Jamaicans can't really manage it. Sitting there too rough.
Yeah.
I'm more white people style.
That beer mango that town. Everybody has a mango
Julie
tree,
again.
man. Watch out.
Julie again. Blackie right or so. Every yard.
If they ain't like I would have thought me to climb on that.
Watch your mango tree there. Or
Yeah.
full up.
Blackie.
What's that? Mango tree again?
No, that one they are stringy.
Mango.
And I'm mostly East Indian, Julie, or Blackie.
Wow.
Yeah, man. The hot mango there.
Mango tree that town like, whoa.
So now $1 million you make them.
Easy.
Watch your man. Watch it.
Yeah, easy. Yeah, man, that's easy. They make it.
Wow. So guys, my cousins and I are up in the hills. Do you guys see that view? Look at that view though. Yes.
So holy come and go share with me. I tell you say when you go down by car chunk of a load.
Car trunk of a load we are going back. Look at Jamaica, you guys. Do you see that? No way no better than yard. No way.
Up to the time.
No
way.
Where?
I make you know say Jamaica don't have no snow. So we don't have to put up like a donkey.
Oh my God.
Sunshine.
Yes. Guys, come, let's go see. So we're at my cousin Veron's house right now. He's got a pit. You see his pit? Behave pit. And he's got this cute little shaggy poodle mix thing. But he's got mango trees, you guys. So I just picked me a mango. Okay, guys. So we are checking out my cousin's property, right? And here we find a freaking pineapple. And they're laughing at me because I'm like, oh my God, I didn't realize that pineapples grew above ground. I thought they grew under the ground like potatoes. Is that silly? Is that silly?
You know, silly man, if you don't know, you don't know, man.
So you plant this, Veron?
Yeah, man.
So where it grew from?
Out of the middle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So one plant can only grow one pineapple? Or
At a time.
At a time.
Yeah.
So when you pick that now, one more come up?
Yeah. When it's ready again for beer.
Something there by the side.
Is that pineapple? Oh.
No man, these you can plant these again. You can cut that off and plant it. Instead of planting the top, you can cut that off and plant
Pineapple
it.
grow for true?
And then when I look right as now, and the bush as so.
Oh, melon!
Oh my
God of mercy!
You planted that, Veron?
Well, I just drop a seed, drop a ground.
Melon.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Melon.
So you have to cover it?
Yeah, it's on the burn it up.
Okay.
Oh, Jesus. Why your grandfather not raise some food?
No.
Moses.
Your grandfather not raise some food?
No, that's hot. Oh my.
It's a melon, but you know, push out on it.
Where? Okay. Oh, wow. Yes. Little bush.
And the aloe vera. Good for your skin.
Yes.
Aloe vera plant. Oh. Yeah.
Oh boy.
Huh? Oh, you be driving by here? Oh. Hi, Sam. Hi, Sam. Boo-boo. Castro. What up, Castro? So we.
Get a brand new rifle from China. Gas start, war start, and no minor. What more set a timer? Putty boy face and no primer.
Juicy beef butter time. Yes. Okay, I forgot juicy beef when I go to Jamaica, right? Right?
Of course.
Whoop and pray. I'm hungry. You come as an egg, yeah. Take me out for the camera. Bales. Bales. Me and my cousins are all in Juicy Beef. Me and Raquel and the 3 boys. And they're over there chatting up some girl. Look at my damn makeup. Chatting up some girl. Me and Raquel is like, alright, we're ready to leave. So we just like go walk out and leave them. We grab the key and we leave and say, alright, them are going to follow we. You know, so them still in there, chat up the girl them. They don't respect us. So now I gotta sit in the car and wait for them to finish doing what they're doing. Watch out. Oh, watch them, watch them. Watch them. Watch them. Watch it. I'll Jeremy. Jeremy, now come on, Jetina. Yes, Uno.
They all forget the party.
Ah, the party, my fan. Yes, Uno. Yes, Uno. Go on, man. They don't respect us, guys. We've been waiting in the car for 5 minutes. 5 minutes for these guys to get done what they're doing inside and come out. Did they follow us? No.
The party was already.
The party was? A party you wait on Veran?
Yeah, man, the party they won't wait for.
After me, the party, one hungry girl said, he like me. And that he said, like, but him and him beat him. The man will beat him without giving him number.
What?
So like girl say, you know, like brown man or black man, you know. So this is a German no matter.
Oh, yeah, sir. No, but let's keep on in a style again in a Veran. You know that, right?
That old.
Oh! A chocolate, I do it.
Yes.
Chocolate, I do it.
Yes.
Back in the days, like when we were younger, it was like light skin boys. Light skin, everybody want light skin. No?
Chocolate.
No. No, browning girls always in style.
Yes.
Always. We're always in style, but browning man, them time expire right now. Maybe them recycle later like Tommy Hilfiger and Carcadine. Oh my God. They have a beach down there. Boss.
Up to the time. No, we never drink and drive it. No time, no day.
Huh?
We never drink and drive. It's up to the time, you know. We don't drink and drive.
No, never.
Never.
We never drink and drive. We're very responsible drivers.
Alright.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't fix the camera. Oh, yeah.
Jeffrey. Where is he now again?
So guys, whenever you're in Jamaica, if This place is over right here, Donald Jerk Center. You have the breaking come. They have the best jerk chicken and festival. It's like a little bamboo hut on the side of the street, like you're coming from like Ochi going up towards Runaway Bay. See the beach is back there. See my cousins, Jeremy and Averon. You see them? On my chat board. Watch that. If I shot somebody. Anyway, this is about the jerk center. So yeah, it's like a little hut like this, you guys. Looks like nothing much, but trust me, the food rivals freaking I was saying the food rivals. What's the other place that everybody gets jerk chicken at down there? Rival Scotchies, for sure, for sure. The festival's better. The chicken's good. I wish they had pork, but right? Yes. Oh.
First time you don't have the rest of the street, you know what I mean? You say, hey, pretty girl, what you doing now?
Yes. Who's that? Is that my Ally Wally? Yeah? Oh, guess what? Guess where we're going tomorrow?
Beach.
We got beach tomorrow. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And Cindy.
Yes. Very nice job.
And Cindy, I'm going to wear the beach shoes.
Beach shoes and your nice shorts and your nice something and something.
You buy beach clothes for him too? Yes?
No beach clothes, but you have clothes. Wear your yellow shorts and a nice shirt and you reach at the beach and you take it off and just dive off. You wear what? He did?
Yes.
Alright.
And Cindy, the gray shorts are going to wear it in the water.
See there?
Ready. He's calling you?
No, the phone up I had from morning. I'm eating saying on my bag.
The short pants and it's grey and it have one little green. I'm going to use it and swim in the water.
Okay.
Tell him save the phone up I had.
I see.
And I'm going to swim in marina.
Yes. I'll say I go swimming at marina. And be things. Ooh, coconut water. Ugh. She just brought it here yesterday. Guys, look at my shrimp, my pepper shrimp that I bought. Stick it up. Smells so good. This reminds me so much of my childhood. Come, go ahead. Let me see if you can't eat pepper shrimp. Eat it. Don't lick it. Eat it, man.
I don't like.
You said you wanted it.
I don't like the eyes.
So don't eat the eyes. Break off the head and throw it away and eat.
Eat it.
Go ahead. Go ahead, eat it. Don't be able to see. Eat it. Do you like it? Is it too hot? Is it too hot?
Hello?
Is it good? But you're not chew. Chew the thing. You chomp. Is that what you ordered, Brownstone?
No, she gave me.
No, is that what you ordered, Brownstone? No? So how come you wearing this in the yard?
Auntie Man give me to wear.
Yeah?
Auntie Cindy Pepper.
Eat it and stop being a baby. Eat it.
No.
Punk.
And then the onion Friday I go to place.
Yeah?
I don't like it.
Look where it's over. Give it to the dog.
Yes, man. Thanks very much. And for the tablets. Oh God, me not think so. Me not think no better bring no more man because it not go finish. Hey, yeah man, me start. Yes, it's on the bottle. It's supposed to be on the bottle.
I was just told that my brother is sitting in a hammock out here in the dark like a crazy person. So we're gonna go find him. Where is Marlon? There is Marlon! I thought you were upstairs. You've been here all the time? Are you serious? Oh my God.
Auntie Cindy.
Must be nice, yeah. I need a hammock. Why? This is the life, guys. Chilling in my hammock
Don't swing.
in the middle of the night. So this is your spot, Marlon? This is your spot?
Don't swing.
Oh my God. Oh, the amount I run up and down with it today. No, don't swing it. Don't swing it. Don't swing it.
You better swing.
No, I don't want to get nauseous. I'll get nauseous.
Yeah, because they're
Stop
afraid
it.
of swing.
Stop it. Yeah,
Look.
I don't like swinging. So what's up, Marlon?
I've been here having a puff.
Where are you?
Yeah?
The week, boy, coming and smelling nothing.
No, you see, every now and when the kids come around, I have to kind of...
Yeah, okay, you're going. Ah! Chilling, you guys, under the apple tree. That same apple tree that like my uncle Wenty was like taking the apples off of. That's where this hammock is. And Jermaine's house is over there. Grandma's house is up there. Yeah, this is the life, right, B?
Yeah.
I'm very jealous of you, B. You get to come down here and lay in a hammock all the time.
Yes.
Do you ever?
School.
You do?
Yeah.
I'm so jealous. I'm so jealous.